You're about to discover the secret as to why 90% of marketers fail to build profitable sales funnels. More importantly, you'll find out how not to waste your time and hard-earned money doing the wrong things. And in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to reveal how you can get access to my exact sales funnels that have generated over $563,000 in revenue. Hey, Kevin Fatty here. The truth is, funnels don't sell things. And we see it all the time. These days, every single marketer has a funnel. Not every marketer is able to attract customers, generate sales, or build a successful business online. And we see it all the time. Marketers invest in their time and spending money to build pretty funnels, only to realize they don't move the needle and they don't sell things. The fact is, it's not funnels. These marketers have made the same critical mistakes that thousands of other marketers make every day. They fail to focus on the aspects of their funnel that will make the sale. They make the customer do the work to decide whether the product is a good fit. And they haven't learned a simple lesson. See, whether your funnel will be a money printer or a complete flop is determined by a combination of things that have to be nailed to a T. Things like being able to find the deepest, darkest pain points of your potential customer, then figuring out what to say to get your potential customers to buy and saying the right thing consistently across the entire funnel, and finally being able to craft powerful offers that can essentially close the deal, which is an art in itself. Plus all of these things that have come in between, things like design, proper customer journey mapping, and so on. These things take literally years to learn. More importantly, these things can take a ton of money and countless failed attempts at building funnels to finally crack down. It took me almost a decade to figure out these things and develop a process for myself that I can follow to increase the chances of building a profitable funnel. Over the past 14 months, the funnels we've built have generated over $563,000 in revenue. But getting it right takes a crazy amount of time, energy, months of writing and testing, and spending a lot of money. Realistically, for someone who's relatively new to online marketing, there's almost no chance to build a profitable funnel right out of the gate, which got me thinking, why don't I just give away my best performing funnels so people can simply plug them in and start generating commissions? So, if you ever find yourself struggling to implement a funnel that's proven to turn your cold traffic into leads and sales, if you're wondering what to say, how to structure the flow, what to offer, or sending emails that pass by like a silent ship in the night with low open rates, maybe a handful of clicks, but definitely never sales, driving traffic into your funnels only to see a big fat zero in your affiliate dashboard, and most importantly, you can't seem to get the customers and revenue you need from your efforts, then what I've put together is for you. This, for the first time ever, I'm pulling back the curtains and allowing you to get access to our high-performing marketing funnels. Introducing free affiliate funnels. The goal of free affiliate funnels is to provide you with a hyper-effective marketing funnels that give you literally everything you need to be able to convert your traffic, grow a massive email list, and generate commissions on demand, month after month. With that in mind, with free affiliate funnels, I'm not just providing you with random funnel templates. No, I'm literally giving you access to 10 complete marketing funnels I personally used to generate over $563,000. Each funnel will have a free irresistible offer on the front end so you can build your email list, and low ticket, mid ticket, and even recurring upsells on the back end so you can turn those leads into commissions. Moreover, we'll also take care of follow-up emails, which will be sent on your behalf, promoting over 80 offers, which you'll get credit for. These funnels are literally soaked in behavioral science, sales psychology, human intel, and modern conversion strategies. And you get access to everything. You'll also have two options to go about it. Option 1. We set up everything for you internally, and all you have to do is generate traffic. Your customers will be plugged in and you will receive a commission on all affiliate sales, including over 80 offers in our back-end funnels I just mentioned. Option 2, you'll be able to download the funnel assets, such as the capture page and download pages, and set them up on your own hosting platform. We'll even provide you with quick copy and paste emails so you can follow up with your leads on your own. The choice is yours. And when you get this now, I'm also including video training showing you how to set up everything as well as additional tools and resources that will help you get the best possible results with free affiliate funnels. Besides, I'm going to make this deal even sweeter by giving you access to some exclusive bonuses valued at over $291 in real market value for free when you get going right now. For a limited time, you can get your hands on free affiliate funnels at a massive discount. To lock in your discount, all you have to do is click the button below now. Look, these things have taken us over 10 years to figure out. Figuring out what they say and saying the right things consistently, being able to guide your customers and drive them through the funnel and get them to part with their hard-earned money to buy our products. And I don't want to toot my own horn, but these funnels work pretty darn well. Over $563,000 in sales using these exact same funnels. I know this can make a massive difference for you, and I'd like to give you the shortcut so you can reach the level of success you deserve without having to put the same sweat equity I had to or spending thousands of dollars to get it right. Look, free affiliate funnels are extremely powerful, and I honestly believed that they will finally help you get the results online that you truly desire. In fact, I'm so sure of it, I'm going to take away all the risk by giving you a full 14 days so you can test the system for yourself. If for any reason you don't think it's worth many times your investment, just send me an email and I'll give you a quick refund. Look, you know this works. I've shown you the results the system generates. I've shown you the value. I've made it a no-brainer offer by giving you a no questions asked money back guarantee. And I've added bonuses that are worth $291 in real market value. All that's left for you to do is click the button below this video right now. Seriously, it's decision time. You're at the crossroads right now. And the way I see it, you really have two options. Your first option is to do nothing and close this page without getting access to the free affiliate funnels and stay exactly where you are right now. But make no mistake about it, doing nothing is still making a choice. A choice that will stall your progress, keep you awake at night, endlessly thinking about the months and possibly even years all wasted trying to get your business off the ground with more success. All to the mermaid of the other mistakes you've made, wasting your time and hard-earned money on strategies that couldn't move the needle in your business. And I don't want that for you. So getting access to the free affiliate funnels is not just about getting access to proven $563,000 sales funnels you can use as your own. Sure, it's a major benefit, but you'll also save a ton of time and money by tapping into the accumulated knowledge and wisdom instead of trying to figure out everything through trial and error. If that's you, then you should seriously consider taking the second option. Just say yes right now. Click the button below before life gets in the way and get access to the exact same sales funnels that are responsible for over $564,000 in sales. But please don't wait. The price is going up every sale, and if you wait and come back later, you'll end up paying way more for this money-making system. So click the button below now and lock in your copy, bonuses and your discount while you still can.